We're standing here in Center One Shopping in Woodridge, New York. A yiddish, very easy. Lass mich quasi etwas Chevre. Going to do an elevator for the models who have carriages. A beautiful elevator. It's going to the zweite Stock. Chevre, we're here with Yossi. Yossi called me down here. Chaim, you must come down here. I have a yiddish to show you. Yossi, what's going on here today?
So we are here. We have school uniforms. School uniforms here with the yiddish. We are here in upstate New York, Woodridge, New York. We have a massive store, over 3,000 square feet. We have all uniforms in stock for all schools. We have jumpers, skirts, all the shirts. We have shirts with sleeves, sleeveless, dickies. We have a bunch of different types of sweaters, different fabrics, different materials. We have everything you would need in order to shop for your school uniforms.
Wow, but it's a little painful because when you're at camp, you don't want to think about school. But you have to be because school is coming and you don't want to be stuck those 3 days in the city when you have to get your uniform, the stores are packed. So you do this, you do the smartest thing in the world. Everybody's up here anyway. The Olympics is doing the bubble colonies.
We also, you can come and buy and exchange till the end of the summer, so you can take it to your kids in camp to try on, come back and exchange for a different size.
Nice.
We can also potentially look up what you bought last year in other stores, and if you bought from this brand, and we can see what you need, if you need one size up, one size down, and stuff like that.
So this is the famous brand that everybody buys. All schools are affiliated with this.
Betty Z has been around since 1980. For many, many years. It's the biggest brand in uniforms since uniforms has started. We make the uniform, Betty Z makes the uniforms for most of the schools. Betty Z is sold all over the world, all over the US. It's a very known brand. They have best quality, they have the best product, and
now it's the first time that you're being upstate.
that's it. There's never
wow,
such
so
a thing
this is
before.
the uniform that every school takes from Chassidish, Litvish, all schools, from Beishankivs to Bob Satna Bells, everybody has these uniforms.
Correct.
So,
as Derech Agav, we have, once you're coming to shop for this next year, we have sweaters and tights. We have also for the summer some different products.
Summer items as well.
Socks and stuff. We're fully stocked with all sizes for now.
everything, they got you covered, everything over here. Wow. And that chuve, you don't have such a store in the city. Such big aisles, big,
everything laid out. You can help yourself, or we have salespeople here that can help you. You have all the shirts laid out, nicely organized by size. We have all the jumpers and skirts with all different patterns and plaids, also nicely organized by size and style.
And if a girl comes and says, I go to this in their school, you take them over to their thing. This is your school. It's a Bob of Satna, Minkach, Bells, Squared, everything laid out.
I'll show you in a minute. We also have beautiful, spacious, a bunch of dressing rooms, very nice and comfortable. We have a nice sitting area for the mothers when the girls are trying on.
Nice.
I just want to point out that we should try to shop for uniforms early. In the past, people always come the last minute. What happens is we run out of certain sizes, we run out of certain styles. There's certain things that we can't get in on time. Even though we're upstate, we can get, for now, still all sizes, all styles, but as time goes on, can't promise that I'll be able to service everybody. We also have embroidered sweaters. We have a lot of schools that we have in stock over here. Whatever we don't have here, you can come in, you can order it, and we'll order it in. We can have it in the store for pickup within a day or two usually.
Wow.
So here we have two very comfortable bathrooms, sitting area for the parents, and here we have a bunch of beautiful spacious dressing rooms with mirrors, very comfortable for everyone to come in, try on, find what you need, and take care of your needs before it's too late.
Fine, Yossi. Wow, thank you for coming up with this idea. I'm sure the mothers will thank you a lot. What's the Perlowitz promotion today?
So we have for all the Perlowitz followers, if you come in and mention the name Perlowitz at checkout, there is 5% off your whole purchase up until Tisha B'Av. From now until Tisha B'Av, we have this promotion.
And if somebody's not going to buy in the 9 days, he could actually try it on, put it on the side.
And we'll charge you card after Tisha B'Av, and you'll come pick it up after Tisha B'Av.
Beautiful. Wow, Yossi, thank you so much. Hast mal lechtigen Tag.